Hi, my name is Susi and I'm a sales manager at Palm Developments. And welcome to the construction update of the ADAYA Villa Developments in the beautiful Dreamland Beach area of Bali. Today, we bring you to the latest progress of this remarkable project that promises to be a true tropical paradise. The entrance to the villa will be adorned with a stunning bamboo covering. This natural and sustainable material not only adds a touch of elegance but also harmonizes perfectly with the surrounding environment. This will lead to a welcome center where guests will be greeted with a 5-star greeting and welcome drinks. This welcome center will also include services that the guests can easily order to be delivered to their villas. Book a golf buggy or a beach transfer, and there is ample parking space available. Between the Welcome Center and Villa E, on the pathways, we have our own underground water tanks, and the wide landscaped walkways make for an enjoyable strolls. The architectural work is currently in full swing. Our team of skilled professionals is diligently crafting the villa structure, ensuring every detail is meticulously executed. From the foundation to the roof, every aspect is being carefully constructed to create a masterpiece that seamlessly blends modern design with Balinese charm. The design team has chosen to incorporate the beauty of Jimbaran stone into various elements of the villa. This locally sourced stone, renowned for its natural charm and durability, will be used in accent walls, pathways, and other architectural features. The elegant texture of the earthy tones of Jimbaran stone will seamlessly blend with the tropical surroundings, further increasing the villa's unique character. Now, let's step inside the villa. The finishing touches are being applied to transform the interior into a luxurious retreat. The walls are receiving their final coats of paint, increasing the ambience and accentuating the architectural elements. The floors are being carefully laid using high-quality materials that exude elegance and durability. The windows of the villa are being installed, and they are crafted from sleek aluminum frames. These windows not only provide views of the surrounding landscapes, but also allow ample natural light to flood the interiors, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Moving to the rooftop area, you will see lighting is being provided on every step to provide a really beautiful, subtle, and well-lit ambience at sunset. And the focus on the rooftop pool is ensuring that the pools are perfectly constructed and free from any leaks. Rigorous leak tests are being conducted to ensure that the pools are ready for you to dive in to enjoy a refreshing swim in the tropical paradise of Bali. The pools are surrounded on 3 sides by planter boxes to provide a tropical paradise pool and ample privacy. One of the highlights of this rooftop is the addition of a fabulous barbecue area. The construction team is working diligently to create a space where you can indulge in delicious delicacies while enjoying the serene ambience of Bali. This barbecue area will be equipped with state-of-the-art amenities to ensure a perfect culinary experience for you and your guests. Behind the scenes, a dedicated team of professionals, including architects, engineers, and skilled workers, is working tirelessly to bring this villa development to life. Their expertise and commitment are evident in every detail, ensuring that the villa result will be nothing short of spectacular. That concludes our construction update on this magnificent villa development in Bali. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to create a beautiful and luxurious haven in Bali. And thank you for joining us on this journey.